What's good, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Smokin and Grillin with me, AV. So check it out, I got a guest, right? I got the owner of Branch and Vine. Listen, I brought him here so he can explain to you, the benefits of using these vinegars and, the infused olive oils, and then to talk about, I think I do a better job than he does talking about that flavored salt, because that flavored salt is bomb. Hey, I ain't gonna take nothing from you. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and let him introduce himself.
My name is Ray Brown. I'm the owner of Branch and Vine, and we got a lot of fun stuff for you today, but I'm not gonna overtalk it. Let's get it.
Let's get it. You say let's get it, so talk to me. What we doing first?
Yes, sir. So we're gonna make a salad a little bit later, but first let's get the party started with some drinks. It's just a very simple drink. It's real easy. It's a strawberry peach vodka mixed drink. It's pretty easy.
People that's been following me for a minute, they know that I'm not a drinker. You know what I mean? Of course, I'm gonna sample it and do all of that.
What we're gonna use today is strawberry peach balsamic. A lot of people think that this is just for salads, but I gotta tell you, there is so much you can do with this. Mixed drinks, salads, fruits, ice cream, all kinds of stuff. We're gonna pop this one open today.
Ice cream.
Yes, sir. So.
Did you bring some of that? Cause
that's for later. We'll get to that. Yeah. We'll get to that.
Now that you're talking about that, all right, go ahead.
Fill it up with ice. Right here, we got 2 ounces. So here's your first one. Yes, sir.
It smells good.
Absolutely.
Something like this will get me in trouble, because if it tastes anything like it smells right now, I'll be tossing that back.
I lived in Louisiana for a while in New Orleans, so I definitely know how to party. So we got 2 ounces.
That explains to me why you keep calling me every time I do something Cajun. You just like, hey bro, next time level it up like this.
Right.
I got it. Now it all makes sense, man.
Absolutely. Check this out. 2 ounces of the strawberry peach. 2 ounces of vodka.
Now, let me ask you this. How did you come up with a drink using this? Just where did you get this from?
So I used to be a bartender in my past life, right? Again, New Orleans, a lot of fun, party, Mardi Gras, all that. I also bartended in Los Angeles, and so I love to be a mixologist. I'm a mixologist at heart. That's just kind of what I do. And so finish off this drink here, a little bit of Sprite on top.
From what I'm smelling, that tells me it's sweet, but is it sweet?
It is sweet. So this is a sweet, this is a strawberry peach balsamic with the vodka. So you're gonna get the sweetness from the strawberry peach. You're gonna get the sweetness from the Sprite. If you like it less sweet, you can certainly use like a tonic water. That's why I have that here. You could use a tonic water, a soda water. You can use one of these machines to make one.
Soda stream.
Absolutely. So great investment. But if you want to just use one from the store, you can certainly do that too. The funny thing about these, you can put these in a mimosa. I have a lady that gets our mango specifically for her mimosas. Orange juice, champagne, half and half, glug of mango in there, and it really sweetens it up, makes it a real nice brunch addition.
Now you guys know why I brought him here. Listen, he like a gym. You know what I mean? So look, again, I bring him here so that he can just like level up this channel, and everybody that, follow me, stay with us and let's just learn, you know what I mean? And hey, put some more pressure on him down in the comment section, below, about that little sponsorship. No, I'm just joking. Hey,
ask anything you want, please. I love the questions, and I love to see how people use our stuff. So,
hey, now I'm gonna say this right now. Let's see what time it is. Oh, it's drink 30. I hear people say that all the time. I noticed you didn't stir, and I can see the color down on the bottom.
I do suggest a stir, absolutely. I got my little trusty stir spoon here. We can do that. Take a little glug of this.
I'm gonna
take a little.
Glug sound like it sounds like they want me to take a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and just say a sip.
Take a little sip of that.
There we go. Just to give me hey, look at my face and listen to me, folks. I told you the way it smelled. I knew if it tastes like it smelled, I'd be in trouble. And if you guys been watching me, every now and then I talk about I don't drink. This right here, I can see me sitting down with one of these. Hey, I know you ain't got no drink, man. but cheers.
Cheers. We'll have one soon. AB, better slow it down, bro. We got the Henny next.
Hey, where I come from, they call that hen dog.
Nice. You ready for it?
Yeah, come on.
Let's do it. Fill it up with ice. Real simple. 1 ounce. 1 ounce Henny. So we got the Branch and Vine Blackberry balsamic here. And then an ounce of the Blackberry. This is real thick balsamic, 18-year aged balsamic. Makes it nice and sweet and thick. Right into the Henny. Bam. All we do, Sprite to the top. It makes it, it does sweeten it up a bit. This is a Blackberry Hennessy Shrub. Y'all are gonna like this one. Nice and sweet. And then right back to the stir. And vinegar is water soluble, so it will mix. Just gotta give it a second. Check it out, sir.
Hey, you know what I just noticed? My hand holding on to the counter.
Yeah.
You know, off of just that little bit right
Stabilizing
there.
you a little bit.
Stabilizing myself.
Enjoy.
I don't know. Hey, look, something must be wrong because I blew it as if it was hot. You know what I mean? So, hey, cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Wait, let me double check.
Go for it. Do your thing.
If I'm gonna pick anything, I would take this first. This
You
would
like
be
that
like number
strawberry
one,
peach?
and this would be one. You know, 1A.
Yeah.
You know,
Okay.
You know, this
I'll
right
take
here
it.
is good.
I'll take it. Thanks, sir.
What I want to say is, who would have ever thought of using a balsamic vinegar, bro?
Absolutely. I get that all the time. You know, a lot of people kind of have that same perception about it, but these balsamics are not your average balsamics. These balsamics are 18 to 25 year age. That makes them sweeter, thicker, and smoother than anything you'll ever find in a grocery store.
Now I want to ask this part. By it being aged like that, like,
Sir.
Is it a cost involved with that? Like, is this cost any more than any of the other?
Absolutely. So, you know, you can get a good product at Costco or something like that. It's a 3-year aged balsamic. It's very thin, very watery. It's a little bit bitter, almost makes your jaw crack a little bit, right? This is a much different product. This is very sweet, very smooth, very thick, aged in oak barrels in Italy, Modena, Italy, northern Italy by Switzerland, for 18 to 25 years. It makes them very thick, very decadent, and very rich.
Let's do something real quick, just real fast.
Absolutely.
Give us the ingredients and just talk about something that, you know, the people out here, they can just like, you know, make something for their kids.
Absolutely, very easy also. So same thing. I like to keep them the tall glasses so you can kind of differentiate the ones that are the alcohol drinks and the non-alcoholic drink, so that you know that the kids are not drinking the Henny, right?
Oh, right.
So what we do is we, yeah.
They shouldn't be.
Yeah, for sure.
They shouldn't be.
So let's pop this open here, get the Henny out of the way because the kids aren't drinking that, right? And you don't have to measure it. This is a kid's drink. It's pretty easy to do. Just a good amount in there, a little bit for flavor. Pomegranate white balsamic, cool. Sparkling cider to the top, real easy. And what you're gonna do is you go ahead and just leave a little bit of space in there for a little bit of pomegranate seeds, and you'll make them nice and pretty with a pop of color with a little bit of pomegranate. Here's a non-alcoholic version here. Enjoy.
Cheers, bro.
Yes, sir.
Hey, this is cool too, bro.
Thank you.
You know what I mean? This right here.
Thank you. Yeah, for those times you don't want alcohol, or you know, for the kids that want to kind of join in the party, this is perfect.
That right there is right there.
All of our balsamics, of course, you can use them on salads. But one thing to know, again, you can use them in drinks, on fresh fruit, ice cream, waffles, all kind of different stuff. But today we're gonna do a salad. This is just a basic mixed green salad here, right? You can get it at any grocery store. We're gonna start off with the garlic cilantro balsamic and the lime olive oil. So this can be used on everything from like fish tacos, carne asada, tri-tips on the grill, all kinds of stuff. This particular combo is very popular. Garlic cilantro, dark balsamic. This is the 18-year balsamic base. We're gonna go ahead and put, let's do 4 ounces in there.
4 ounces, all right.
Yes, sir. This flavor goes a long way. There's a lot of flavor in here. Let's do 2 ounces of the Persian lime olive oil. I usually find that an olive oil and a balsamic vinegar work together. They're very much complementary. 4 tablespoons of the Dijon mustard, right? All right, so we got the Dijon mustard, and then let's do a third to a half a cup of mayo.
Let's just go ahead and put some mayo in here.
Yes, sir. And what this is going to do is this is going to make it a creamy dressing. So you can absolutely use these balsamics and olive oils just as they are if you don't want to mix up a dressing. You want to mix up a dressing and make it like a creamier, kind of like a more of like a ranch consistency. It's gonna be a different color, of course, but you wanna make it more of like a ranch consistency or a little bit creamier dressing, you can just add this mayo in there. You can also use sour cream on if you prefer that, but the mayo makes it nice and creamy. Okay. And then let's throw in a couple of good grinds of that black pepper.
Oh, for sure.
Give it a nice little, I know that's your favorite.
Yes, sir.
So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna add a little bit of the black garlic sea salt, the infused sea salt. And this is kind of a coarse grain. So what you wanna do is you wanna, let's do about a tablespoon of that in there. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna give it a nice black garlic umami flavor.
Let me just show them right now.
Yeah.
Look at that, you can see the grain on it.
Yeah. It's a coarse grain, so what that does is, it takes a little bit longer to dissolve, but yeah, throw that in there. You're gonna get that black garlic umami flavor. Of course, you're gonna get salt in there too. And you're gonna wanna mix it well so that this is going to give you, a well-mixed and dissolved salt in the mix. Now just whisk it together, man, and it'll emulsify the mayonnaise will help it to emulsify the oil and the vinegar to work together.
Educated man, huh? Emulsify.
Yes, sir. So, if you use them together in olive oil and a balsamic, they don't always mix together real well. But when you put the mayo in there, it really helps to emulsify it and make it so it's smooth and creamy. You can see right there. Let's go ahead and cut up some more goodies and make this real colorful, beautiful salad first. Just kind of add a little crunch, a little texture, right?
All right.
And then just kind of top it with whatever you want. I like a little bit of slivered almonds on top.
Okay.
All right. Adds a little more crunch, a little more texture. You could add more or less if you like. A little of the French fried onions. This adds a ton of flavor. These are actually fried shallots, and they add a ton of flavor. And you can do that before or after the dressing, but here we are.
Okay, so now I guess we'll do a little mix.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna say this, bro. Hey, you outdid yourself with this. This right here, look, they didn't, obviously we wasn't recording it, but I tasted that already. I'm not even really, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not even a salad guy, but just knowing that dressing on top of this right here, hey, a little bit of that Asiago cheese, oh my goodness.
Right.
You know what I mean? But I'm gonna go ahead and hit it again.
Go for it.
Because I always gotta have like some kind of excuse. So I'll just hit it like that.
Absolutely. I'll get a little bite too.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Hey, that right there is real nice, bro.
Thank you.
So glad you came out, just like give some of the people that follow me, give them some ideas. And like I say, now I'm for sure, and I say it with confidence, any of them bottles, any of the different flavors, they not one and done's.
Right.
That kind of like blew my mind back. This right here, y'all, I'm gonna just say it this way. This right here, this might be coming to a store near you real soon. That right there is fire. I could put that on a burger. That'll make an outstanding dip.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Right.
I have 36 flavors, lots of stuff to choose from. You can mix and match them in thousands of different ways. No exaggeration. So everything from sweet, savory, spicy, herb, garlic, we got them all. So thank you, AB, for having me. I appreciate you.
Oh, thank you. Hey, I want you guys to let me know down in the comment section below. You know what I mean? Look, I'm gonna put a link. You're probably looking at it right now. Look down in the #1 comment. That way you guys can go by his website and see all the products that he have. Hey, listen, and I got it. You guys be telling me to get sponsored. I can just tell you this. Listen, he got a great product along with other people. When I see something good, you know what I mean, I just like to get behind it and just show you guys. Now, with that being said, I just want to take this time to say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And I want you guys to tell everybody out there, right? Listen, there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And guess what, folks? We out. Peace.